Hello and very good morning to all the students. So let us start with our new session. Further we'll see the numerical for based on the multiplexers. Okay. So let us start with our multiplexer numericals. So question will be draw the symbol and write the truth table of 2:1 mux. Mux stand for what? Multiplexer. Okay. Now see solution. Okay. So let us see the block diagram. 2:1 means only one output. Okay, and two inputs D0 and D1, one enable pin, strobe. Okay, these are the two data pins, and here only one select lines S0. Okay, because what n equals to 2 raised to m. Okay, so n क्या है? What is 2? Okay, n is what? 2. So 2 raised to m. M is what? Select lines. Okay, so 2. Okay, that's only one select line. Now about the truth tables. Okay, now enable pin, then select input, then output. Okay, now this selected always you have to keep it in an active high. Okay, so when it is 0, select input will be don't care condition, whatever it may be, output will be 0. Enable is 1, input is 0, output is D0. Enable is 1, input is also 1, select input is 1, output is D1. D1 means what? The output Y will take the data from D0. When the enable pin is 1, okay, it has to be always keep it high. Select input is 0, okay, so D0 data will be taken. When it is 1, D1 data will be taken out. Okay, whatever the data available at D1, it will be giving out. Okay, so this is what about this one. Okay, for this questions. Now second, let us start with the second one. Draw the symbol, draw the block diagram of 4:1 mux and write its truth table. Now solution. Okay, so we have to draw what? A block diagram first of all. Only one output. Okay, Y. How many? 4 inputs. Okay, D0, D1, D2 and D3, and one pin is known as what? E, enable. So 4 input is there, means n is what? N equals to 2 raised to m. So n how much is 4 input. So it what will be 2? M will be 2. Okay, so 2 select lines S0 and S1. Okay, 4:1 mux. Okay, 4 input. Okay, so this is a 4 input, so we'll draw the truth table. Again, enable select input, this is E, as S1 and S0, and one is output Y. Enable is 0. Whatever the condition of this one, output will be 0. Nothing output will be there. Enable is 1, 0, 0. Okay. So output will be D0. Enable is 1, output is 0, 1. Output D1. Enable is 1, D2. One output is 1, 1 is D3. So this is what the truth table of 4:1 marks. Okay, truth table of 4:1 marks. Okay, so in this way we have to solve it. Okay, getting this? Now we again realize for the what 8:1 marks. Okay, so question again. Draw the block diagram of 8:1 marks and write its truth table. Okay, so solution is there, so we will draw this. 8:1 means 8 inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and this one 9. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay, 8 inputs, 1 is output. So n equals to 2^m. So n is how much? 8. So 2 will be how much? 3. So 3 inputs line, S2, S1 and S0, and 1 output Y. Okay, so we will try to draw this. This is what? Select lines. Select lines. These are what? Inputs. Okay, so now we'll draw the truth table. Enable select inputs, so it will be S2, S1 and S0. Okay, and this is output Y. Enable is 0. Whatever the condition may be of select input, it should output will be always 0. Now next is 1. Select input will be 0, 0, 0. Output will be D0. Again 1, 0, 0, 1. It will be D1. Means at this select lines, when we get 1, 0, 0. So at this one, data from the D1 it will going to take it. Okay. When all these are 0, data from the D0 will be taken. Okay. This is 1, 0, 1, 0, D2, 1, 0, 1, 1, D3, 1, 0, 0, D4, 1, 0, 0, 1, D5, 1, 1, 0, D6, 1, 1, 1, 1, D7. Okay. So this is the truth table for the okay. So now we will stop here. So in the next video we are going to see what is demultiplexer. Okay, so thank you.